Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Z James, and this is Z32 Workshop. This is going to be another quick unboxing video. Just sort of showing you guys the parts that I'm purchasing for my twin turbo swap and some dress-up stuff that I've currently purchased from Z1, Zspec stuff. So today's one, I've got actually the throttle body and linkage bolts that I bought. It's a nice little dress-up kit, cleaning their bolts. I just thought, you know what, for the little bit of money, something a little nice. So we're going to take a look at it. It is Zspec's throttle linkage. It comes with a lot of bolts here and some caps that are machined. We'll take a look at it. Let's see here. Let's do this real fast, guys. This is not a big one here. Let's see if I can get you guys squared away nice and short here. Let's take a look. So this will be a nice quick unboxing video for you guys. Nice little kit. He comes with, looks like, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 caps, which means should be 11 bolts. In between, once again, these are all nice stainless steel units with washers. So let's take a look here. Ooh. In the description will be the thread patch length. Looks like we've got some, I think there's one short one if I remember right correctly on this, everybody. So there'll be longer ones. Let's see here. So you've got a solid amount of long ones here, guys. In the description will be the thread pitch, length of the bolt, what they are. And these are nice cap pieces. So what you would do is this. When you install, nice hex cap, stainless steel, will look pretty good. It's a nice little sharp dress-up kit. And as you can see, you've got all these bolts. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of the normal length and one little short one. Once again, Zspec does great stuff. I'll link their stuff in below through Z1, Concept, Z Performance, and actually Zspec's website. Stainless steel washers as well. So, like I said, it's a nice little kit. I think they're really good. This is, like, they do recommend Loctite when you put these in, just because I will probably put a little dab of Loctite on every one of these. Nothing crazy, just to keep it so it doesn't rattle out too easily on them. These are the throttle body and linkage. Let's take a look at this engine over here, guys. What it is these 4 bolts here. So you got 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then a shorty 11's right there. And that's what you gotta replace. Like I said, it's a nice little dress-up kit, fresh bolts, clean stuff. I'm gonna redo the whole intake on mine. This will get stripped down, cleaned, and done a bunch of stuff, which I will do this spring when it's warmer out, because as you can see, it's the beginning of February, so it's still rather cold here. So once again, Zspec stuff, I like them. Quality stuff. I mean, now you can buy all this hardware, except for the caps. I do not know where these guys are getting these. Because you can order these in different colors, and I'm going for a very muted color, so it's not going to be snazzy and bright. I mean, other than the stainless steel letting you know, as you would see, I mean, take a look. If you put a cap right there on that ain't gonna look ain't gonna look like a whole heck of a lot, to be honest with you. But it should look pretty well. I think that's it for this video, guys. Like another quick unboxing. I did just do another 2 major orders from Z1, getting all the parts I need to, which is gonna be everything for maintenance on that engine. And new rubber for everything. I mean, talking new boost hoses, accordion pipes, intercooler hoses, all of it. Because I want to do it once and not have to come back to it anytime. Or if I have to mess with it, it's fresh rubber that doesn't fall apart or have to work it 1,000 times. Yeah, so that's this video, guys. If you guys have any questions, comments, hit me up below. It's just another quick unboxing. Shows you what you are. And like I said, with the descriptions, with the bolt length, the size and thread pitch, if you wanted to, you go to any hardware store and make the kit yourself. Other than, like I said, the caps, I don't know where they're getting those, but I'm not a guy who sources that stuff. So everyone take care, all right? Bye. See you in the next video. Oh, please like and subscribe. Talk to you later.